will come back and we'll see, and then we'll see, and then we'll do the other step. Welcome guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing what I said I'd done yesterday. Well, by the time I edit all this and post this, it'll be Friday when it's going to be done. But still, on Wednesday, which I was doing my tie-dye, and I'm using this old t-shirt that I bought from Primark. And yeah, so let's begin. Okay guys, basically what you're going to do, you want to rinse out the t-shirt, jumper, or whatever you're using, and then move out the way because that's on the road. And then you either go, if you want to do like a spiral, you get a spoon. And also guys, please use elastic bands. If you don't use elastic bands, I'll probably look a little bit crap like mine practice one did. Because sadly I don't have elastic, but I do have a rope. So let's just do this. Okay guys, after that you want to wear some clothes that you won't get bleached on because you're using bleach. And then after that, if you want to use a sink, use a sink, but I suggest you put clean fill like on the bottom so there's no bleach gets on it. I'm using an old box, put a clean fill on it and done that. And then you want to also get a water bottle, but preferably a water bottle that you will never ever use again, but only for tie-dye and stuff, and just put some bleach inside it. Then you want to just shake it a bit, that means you mix it. Yeah. Oh, it smells like the a water pool. And then you just bring it all in there. I didn't even put this. I don't know why I even had this. So, oh no! Touch myself. And after you've done that, guys, basically just get a clean fill as much as you think you need. Then just wrap it up. Okay, wrap it up like this, and then leave it for 24 hours. So tomorrow I will come back and we'll see, and then we'll do the other steps.
24 hours later.
And here you go, folks. The final part. Well, the final thing of my tie-dye. You can see that the spiral kind of worked a bit. But yeah. I mean, this could have went a little more better. I kind of wish that I'd done my first video on my practice tie-dye. Even though this spiral, you can see that spiral there, but so basically guys, what you do after 24 hours, basically just rinse all out, get all the bleach out, then you hang it up to let dry, and that's it. So I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and please hit that bell button for more updates on this channel. Now if you want to go and look at my other videos, please do so. Okay, bye.